back to my channel. Before I start, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I want to read the article by Peter North, investing.com. This week's policy setting meeting by the Federal Reserve dominates activity with the central bank set to raise interest rates again. Currency major. The companies are also due to report quarterly earnings. Economic condition deteriorate in Europe, large economy, and China. Evergrande Group announced step change in the C-suite. That's what you need to know in financial market on Monday, July 25. Next Fed hike comes are the main focus. This week will be on the two-day policy setting meeting of the Federal Reserve concluding on Wednesday. The U.S. Central Bank is widely expected to raise interest rates by 75 basis points after policymakers last reports hot water on the idea of another 4 percentage point hike to add to June's surprise. Away from the size of the rate hike, investors will be looking at whether here the Fed thinks inflation is peaking and the chance of the U.S. economy moving into recession as they try to gauge the scope of September rate move. At the weekend, former Treasury Secretary Lawrence Summers cast doubt on the likelihood of a soft landing for the U.S., where incumbent Janet Yellen said that she doesn't see any sign the economy is in a broad recession. Germany on course of recession. German business morale fell more than expected in July, with data from the Info Institute Monday suggesting Europe's large economy is on the verge of recession. The Info Institute, a highly regarded research institution, said its business climax index was 88.9, its lowest. Last week, the German manufacturing PMI fell to 49 in July, dropping in contraction territory and its lowest level in 25 months, reinforcing prediction that Europe's biggest economy is heading into a recession in the second half of 2022. This comes after the Europe Central Bank raised interest rates for the first time in 12 years last week, ending a policy of negative interest rate that had been less than 2014. Stocks at the open just tiger big tech earning though U.S. stock market are set to open moderately higher Monday, with investors awaiting the result from the Fed meeting later this week. See above as well earning from a number of the biggest companies in the world. Monday, see the release of the numbers from NXP, disappointing result from Snap. The owner of Snapchat last week signaled advertisers had tightened their posting in response to a deteriorating economic outlook, which means all eyes will be on the digital advertising space. Evergrande restructuring delay. China Evergrande Group announced Friday that Chief Executive Officer CA Jun and Chief Financial Officer Pen Dorong had left the highly indebted property developer after a probe into the use of economy deposit as security to outstanding bank loans. Xiu Shaun, an executive director, is set to take over as CEO and was reported Friday saying that the firm has reached basic consensus on debt restructuring principles with multiple major global creditors. Company caused turmoil last year when it defaulted on dollar bond payments and has previously said it was on track to deliver a preliminary restructuring plan for its around $300 billion of liabilities by the end of July. Okay guys, that's all from me. Uh, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.